Hello, while we're down here making quick, short little movies, have a lot of saw blades, so I've been making some crates here for the saw blades. I got to get in here out of the wind. There's the mill way down there. I think I can zoom in on that just to get a perspective of where things are at. We're taking a break. After hitting that metal, it slowed us down a lot. And then we threw that log off and figured if it's got more metal in it, we want it to be the last one we get into. So we threw that off. I guess it's that big one down there with a flat on it. We'll come back to that after we get the stuff that's higher up in the tree. We'll take a walk through. I don't know how this is going to come out. Get a log splitter update. This is the table that goes on the bottom of the log thing. That's a 1/2-inch plate down there, 4 foot wide, 8 foot long. This goes on the wood splitter up at the other building, which I'm going to keep going through there. You're going to get winded out on the way. That's all the framing. You can see the things where it hooks up to the things. That's the table. That's where the hydraulic cylinders go to raise it up and down. There's a truck he did, real nice Dodge, frame off restoration. He put air ride suspension on it. It's got everything that you can imagine on it. And we're going to go from here. There's a heater the boy made. The boy can make anything. That's out of an old hot water heater that was thrown away. We make a lot of stuff out of throwaway stuff. We're going to go through the wood shop. This is the wood shop where we create messes too. Got a little bit of everything. I guess big old table that was a throwaway. There's a sander. I think it's maybe it looks like it might be 4 foot, 40 inch. I don't know what it is. That takes a lot. That's a 15 horsepower. Then it takes, I don't know, another motor for the drive. It's got a lot of stuff on it. Here's a planer, drill press. He made this thing here. This is a what do they call it? Can't think of the right name, but it's a wood lathe, pattern maker's lathe. He made that thing out of all leftover parts. Where are we at? Here's where I'm making some more of those round things. Come in here in the rainy days. The days like today, you kind of got to stay outside and get what you can do outside. It's not too muddy down at his mill. My mill's just mud heaven. All right, we're going to go up to the other shed. It's very windy down here, so you're going to get some wind noise. So if it's too noisy, either speed through it or turn your volume down. There's another old blade over there. Oh, there goes my hat. I better go get it. It is windy down here. As you can see, it's a long way off over there, and the wind comes in. That truck is a well drilled or a sampler taking truck. We might take the end of this off. This is a piece somebody gave us. It doesn't run, but we're going to take the front mast of it off and save it. The rest is going to go to scrap. Motor's no good. He's got a boiler inside there. I should video the boiler, but that'll be another day. We're getting a bunch of short movies today. One long one and a couple short ones. Here's the wood splitter. Here's where we're at. This is the oil cooler.
Patent pending.
Patent pending. We just got the gas tank on it. Lukey bought the gas tank. Purple, crazy purple. There's the 2 cylinders that'll lift the table up and down. We'll have leveling cylinders on every corner. We just ordered all the hydraulic lines. This is the front of the train. Now what we did here is we V'd it out here because we want the first logs to fall out immediately. Then the second ones will have a place to go. This is just rubber mat to keep them kind of in. Here's a little step. You're going to have a stand and it goes up to the lever. Here's the levers to tell you those go to different things, the leveling logs, and then one's the stand and the table. These things are here for running the hydraulic lines down. There's the motor. You've seen all this before. We ordered the lines. They should be in hopefully next week. Cleaning up the wheels.
Now that takes off, not because he lied through, but he put his church in it. Oh my God.
Well, that's the latest on the wood splitter.
Remember Gene Lawson used to say you go down the line and like that.
That's good.